Hi Orchestra, in this video we're going to review all of our D-string notes and then we're going to go over the worksheet and the finger twisters that are on packet page 8. Let's start by reviewing our D-string notes. I'm going to show you my instrument up close so you can see what my fingers are doing. And keep in mind this is my violin, so viola players, your D-string will be in a slightly different place. Okay, so starting with open D, that's no fingers touching. Then if we want to play E, we put down 1 finger. F sharp is 2 fingers. And G is 3 fingers. Let's review that again. For E, make sure it's your pointer finger that's touching, and F sharp is pointer finger and middle finger, and then G is pointer finger, middle finger, and ring finger. I want you to check a couple of things. One, make sure your thumb is on that star sticker on the side of your instrument, and that all 3 of your fingers are on finger tapes. This is my professional violin, so I don't have any finger tapes because my fingers have memorized where to go. But I want you to check to make sure that you have each finger on a tape. Let's try playing those notes. I'm going to start in rest position, and you can start in rest position with me too, and then we're going to try in playing position later. So check to make sure you got your thumb on your star sticker. We've wrapped our fingers around. We're going to play right on the tippy tips of our fingers. Starting with our D string, let's try plucking that 4 times. Ready, go. Okay, now add your pointer finger on the first tape, really hold it down, and we're playing the note E. Let's play that 4 times. Ready, go. Okay, now we're gonna add our next finger. Make sure it's really lined up on the tape. We have pointer finger and middle finger down for F sharp. Let's play it 4 times. Ready, go. And our last D string note is G with 3 fingers. Check to make sure they're all on tapes and you still have your thumb on your star sticker. 4 times, ready, go. Very good. Make sure that you know the names of all of those notes and that you can play each of them, because that's actually our next achievement. Our next achievement is called D string notes. And similar to when I had you test on your string names, I'm going to say to you, hey, play me G or E or F sharp or D. And then you're going to have to be able to play me those notes. Okay? Let's take a look at packet page 8. So in our packet, it should be the page that looks like this. It'll be slightly different if you're violin or viola, but about the same information. At the top of this packet page is a worksheet for you to try coloring in your notes. So, for example, open D, there's no fingers down for open D, so you can just leave all of these circles blank. Then for E, I want you to try coloring in how many circles or how many fingers you need for E, and same thing for F sharp and for G. So why don't you pause the video real quick right now, you grab a pencil or a crayon or something, and then fill out the top of that worksheet. And then after you unpause it, I'm going to give you the answers. All right, so do that worksheet. I hope you did it. Okay, so for open D, like we said, we have no circles colored in. For E, we're going to color in 1 circle because we have 1 finger down, and we're going to make sure we color in the first circle, the top one, to represent where our first tape is. Then F sharp, you'll have 2 circles colored in, the first one and the second one, because you need 2 fingers to play F sharp. And then for G, you'll color in all 3 of the circles. And if you're not sure about it, you can just flip back to page 7 and the answers are right there. Okay, so that's how you do that worksheet. The last part of this video, we're going to try these finger twisters that are down here at the bottom. For each of these, it's a different combination of notes and they're designed to be kind of challenging. So we're going to try them slowly, and then for an extra challenge, you can try playing them faster on your own. So let's start with finger twister number 1. I'm going to do these in rest position again, and then later on we can try them in playing position. Number 1 needs D, E, D, E. Remember, D is no fingers, E is 1 finger. And the secret to being able to play these really well is to keep your fingers really close to your strings, even when you don't have them touching the string. So I'm going to play it as an example. Let's see if I can give you a good close-up of what my finger is doing. I'm going to play D, E, D, E. When I lift my finger, I just leave it really close to the string. Let's try that together, and we're going to go nice and slow. It might help you to say the notes out loud as you play them. Ready? Go. D, E, D, E. How'd you do? Is your finger touching the tape? Let's try number 1 again. Ready? go. D, E, D, E. Great, we're gonna do the same thing for number 2. It's D and then F sharp. The trick to this one is to see if you can get both fingers to go down at the same time instead of like 1, 2. So can both your pointer and your middle finger go down at the same time? Let's try it. Ready, set, go. D, F sharp, D, F sharp. Let's try it one more time. Ready, go. D, F sharp, D, F sharp. If you got those two, then you should be able to handle number 3, which is D and G. So we're going to try to get all 3 fingers to go down at the same time. And then number 4 and 5 really mix all of the notes up. So I want you to go ahead and try all the rest of these finger twisters. And if you want to, the bottom of the worksheet has a space where you could write your own finger twister. You could even make it longer than 4 notes if you want to. So go ahead and try those, and then come back for the next video, and we're going to try some of our songs out of our book.